Alright, so it's been a long time since I've made any music, so I'm going to produce a little bit of lo-fi. I've always thought that lo-fi is a really good genre to just warm up or just get into and learn a lot about production because it's relatively simple, easy to make. The mixing process, while unique, is also relatively simple. And there's no wrong answers when it comes to chill hop. I already have the main motif thought out. It goes something like this. So let's get that recorded in. Never registers that first pedal. I think the next obvious move is going to be drums. I think a little bit of guitar will also sound a bit nice here. Vocal chops I think will be kind of nice. This is dry. And then after adding a bunch of effects. And then I took the piano part and I put it up an octave and put it through Valhalla Shimmer to make a little bit of an atmosphere type of thing. Sounds like this. So this is basically just the piano, but fed through an EQ and Valhalla Shimmer. Just turned a lot of the settings way up and it just turns into a nice little pad. And that's kind of basically it. So I have the piano, the guitar, I added a sub for the bass, the drums, the vocal chops, and I also added this little sample that I kind of liked. And then all together it sounds like this. And that's basically it. I just have to expand it out into a full song and mix and master it down, but that's basically the whole process of making lo-fi hip-hop. You could really just make it as simple or as complicated as you really want it to be. There's really no right or wrong answer. If you listen to the massive collection of lo-fi hip-hop that's out there, you're going to find that there's very, very simple ideas that are executed very well. You're going to find complicated ideas that are executed very well, but you're also going to find complicated ideas that are executed very poorly as well. So don't think that just because your idea is very simple and there's less than 10 tracks total, that it's not a worthwhile song. Alright, so it's actually a couple hours later and I ended up just completing the entire song. Although the actual mix is a little bit more aggressive than what I wanted it to be, so I might end up mixing it down again. This might not be the final version. For the actual verses, I came up with a second piano melody that kind of complements the chorus. So what you heard before was the chorus, so that goes something like this. The verse part goes like this. So this is turning out to be a much more melodic, lo-fi, melodic chill hop type of song, not so much a jazzy lo-fi beat. But I kind of find that this is a nice subgenre within the entire world of lo-fi hip-hop. So that's just kind of the direction it's going. For a little bit of effect at the very beginning, I added these reversed piano chords. And then the whole thing came together pretty nicely, actually. I'm going to play just the intro, verse, and then the chorus, and then just kind of fade it out. It turned out to be about a little over 4 minutes long, so I'm not going to play the whole thing, but we'll see if I release this. I don't know. Anyways, here we go. So anyways, the entire song basically just repeats that idea again, gets a little bit bigger during the second chorus, but that was basically the entire song. It took me about 6 hours to do the entire thing, went grocery shopping in the middle of it, and yeah, that was the entire process. Hopefully this was helpful for some of you guys, or at least entertaining in some respect. Lo-fi hip-hop, chill-hop does not have to be complicated to sound good at all. Anyways, if you made it this far into the video, thanks so much for watching. This was a completely unscripted, unplanned video. I just thought I would sit down and put together a song for the day. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let's keep creating.